This is Tanvir Kazmi with my news channel See the World Through Tanvir Kazmi. I'm again here to discuss very important news. This is not the first time I saw this news in the United States. There's a teen age boy. He was shot dead by a house person when he by mistake rang the bell of a wrong house. He thought somebody else's house, and he rang the bell in the night time, and the person came, got afraid, and he killed him on the spot. It was very shocking news for me. And this is not the first time I see this news. I'm seeing for many years that what happened to us, where are we going, how far we gone to now, what happened to human life sacred, what caused us so much fearful. Did we start getting so much fearful of each other? It's very important to know. It's very easy to understand if you look at all three major holy books, Quran, Torah, and Gospel, that God says you are one family, children of Adam. Satan is your enemy. He caused fear into your heart society. So what happened? What happened to our one family? Based on color, we cannot see that you are different. We cannot, if we live in some different part of the world and our skin color is different, does not mean we are different. Even one house, if a husband and wife marry, they can have different color skin boys. We cannot do this. We have to stop fearing each other, distinguish each other based on skin color, based on that, based on language or talk, based on country or from where I live. These books are continually reminding us, all children of Adam, you have to become to oneness of God, and we be united as one nation under one God. You are the color skin or eating differently or having different tradition. That's the beauty. Enjoy it. Do not create as a difference. So that's a major problem when people are involved into crime and hate and have some issues. They start fighting. Then the media and the movies continue to focus on negativity, and new generation gets into very negative mind. Keeping guns in every house, what we are trying to do, we are hating each other. We are fearful of each other, that my neighbor may kill me, my somebody kill me. That is a very dangerous situation with us. We need to come out of that. We need to open the books, holy books, and see what is we're doing wrong. We can clearly see there are major 5-6 steps which we are not following, and that's why we are failing, and we are fearful. We cheat each other, we steal each other's properties, we cheat, sleeping around with incorrectly. That's why we lose trust from each other. And then businesses, when we open, when we try to compete too much and try to become very rich compared to other people who are still in poverty, and then the hate start, and then we go into violence. So let's stop that. Let's sit down, continue dialogue. Let's make one church, one worshiping place, one mosque, and this way we can bring all unnecessary information given by our people sitting there and destroying our peace. Let's come to one path, one God, and one nation, and resolve our issues. Keeping millions guns is not going to resolve anything. There are many incidents when children by mistake open fire their own father in the house and open themselves and kill them. So keeping the guns is not going to resolve anything. We need a world where there will not be any locks. There should not be any locks. There should not be any guns. There should not be anything. We'll live together, share each other. Let's bring love, prosperity back, which what we're commanded to do. One nation, beware of the Satan. He is not going to die. He has asked to give time up to Judgment Day. He's not going to go away. Every time we get whisper, read the book and follow his commandments, and then change. This is the only way to succeed. And we should not kill each other based on small thing. We should investigate. Killing one person, all book says, is a killing of entire humanity. For example, if we have more than 8 billion people, if we kill one person, that means we kill entire people. So let's not do this. Our next life is very dangerously. You can go and burn in hellfire forever. There's no chance for exit. So we have to be very careful taking life of somebody. But continue dialogue, community should dialogue, city should have continued dialogue with the different people and listen to each other and resolve issues each other. This life is short. running for money is not going to resolve anything. So let's stop this. Let's stop hate. Let's start working together as one family. I hope this should not happen again, and we bring love and prosperity and less fear in the society. This way we can also get forever place in paradise of a lot of big palaces, and we'll succeed in this life, and we can also succeed in hereafter. See you next time. Take care. Bye.